okay, you all need to stop. You all need to get... Alright guys, hey what's going on everybody, my name is Romano and welcome back to a brand new video. Today guys, we are doing something different in the Roblox channel. We are doing a Roblox music channel. I don't even know bro, but yeah, let's go ahead, you know what I mean, so let's go. Oh gosh, everyone is asking me, how are you doing, blah, 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 everything like that. You know, I will answer you right now. If you want the truth, okay. Oh man, I really want a girl, but do I really need to take it? Do I really need to take it? Alright, no one. So, you know, I was walking to the street, man, and then... Girls hit you hallelujah, girls hit you hallelujah, girls hit you hallelujah, cause Uptown Funk won't give it to you, cause Uptown Funk won't give it to you, cause Uptown Funk won't give it to you. So guys, Google, you here? Google. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy, definitely slap that like button and subscribe to my channel to know notifications. I know I didn't do very much and you didn't really understand because I was pausing. And guys, as you know me, I want to get a 1K, and look, you're gonna be really surprised. Last video that I made was that I got 16 subscribers, and yeah, right now, this awkward, this is kind of awkward, yeah, and guys, as I was saying, you better see this video. I mean, yeah, you better see this. I mean, 15 subs, finally, this is my new channel, and I was at total grade minus D, and I logged back in, and I'm in D right now, guys. Look, thank you guys so much. And guys, look at Mr. V. Look, I don't know why, but he has 1 million subscribers, and this side says she's... What? The side was saying that he's minus D, and now he's B plus? Who cares? Right? Who cares? Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Slap that like button and subscribe for notifications. So guys, I'll see you again with another Roblox video. Bye!